Charmaine, please here.
ರುದ್ರಾರಿ ತಲ್ಲಯ ಚೇತದೆ ಮನೋಗಿದ
As you know, I am Devendra, the emperor of this Swargaloka. I am ruling this Swargaloka because of the mercy of the three great gods, Brahma, Vishnu and Maheshwara. Myself and other chieftains of the directions one day went to Kailasa. We asked Parameshwara to come over to this Swargaloka to offer our prayers and our devotion and gratitude to Parameshwara. He promised that he will be coming over here in some days to come. But several years have passed. Lord has not manifested before us here. What to do? We have to wait. We have to wait. We will wait. We will wait. We will.
ರುದ್ರಕರವ ಕಚ್ಚಿ ಬೀಳಿಸಲು ಮನ ಮರುಗಿದ ಬಳಲುತ್ತಾ ಯಾರಿಗೆ ದೂರವೇನೋ
The entire blood of the body has been drained off. And I have lost all the energy. Cannot walk. My head reels. My eyes are going by blind. But why such a situation for this Parameshwara? If I have to recall what has happened in the past, my fate. Why did I listen to the complaints of those sages? After listening to them, why did I went to or go to Satyaloka to inquire that Brahmadeva? Why did I challenge him? The result is this. Brahma wanted to marry his daughter, and he married also. I inquired him. This is not the model that you are giving to the world. But he did not listen to me. And as a result, I snatched his fifth head. And by then he had warned me, if I succeed in snatching his extra head, he will make me to wander around the world. And he will make me a beggar. But I did not listen to him. I just snatched his extra head. Look at this. This Kapalam of Brahma has been clinging of my hand and it is sucking my blood. It is sucking my blood with this. Now, Brahma has become the real conqueror. But I am the poor vanquished. How was my fortune? How was my fortune?
ನೀಗಿದೆ ಸೌಭಾಗ್ಯವಗ
All my fortune.
ನೀಗಿದೆ ಸೌಭಾಗ್ಯವ ದಿಗಂಬರನಾಗಿನ ದಿಗಂಬರನಾಗಿನ ತ್ರೈಜವಗ ಸಾಗಿ ತ್ರೈಜಗವ ಸಾಗಿ ಭಿಕ್ಷೆಯ ಬೇಡುವೆ ಭಿಕ್ಷೆಯ ಬೇಡುವೆ ಬ್ರಹ್ಮದ ಬಾಲಕಾಗಿಯೇ ತಿರುಗನಾಗುವೆ ಬ್ರಹ್ಮದ ಬಾಲಗಾಗಿನ ತಿರುಗನಾಗುವೆಯೇ ನೀಗಿದೆ ಸೌಭಾಗ್ಯವ
Just a short moment. What a great turn in my life. This Brahma Gopalam is acting merciless. It is acting merciless and sucking my blood. With this, I have lost all my fortunes. Where was I? How was I? I was protecting the whole world. I am supposed to be a god. My wife, Parvati Devi, where is she? I have lost my wife. And my children, Ganapati, Guha, Shadanana, Veerabhadra, where are they? I have been separated With this, I have lost the happiness also. Merciless Brahma Kapala. How cruel you are. How much ever blood is being sucked from my body, it is not getting satisfied. Then how can I satisfy? Who is there to save me in this world? Huh? Look at my condition. I have become naked. Nothing is left on my body. But I have to satisfy this Brahmakapala. But how? Nothing is left with me. So, there is only one way left. I have to go around the world. I have to beg for alms so that this gets satisfied. Where to go? Whom to visit? Whom to beg? Fine. Let me wander all the three lokas. And I will beg with all those whoever I come. Let me go. Who is that? Oh. Fine. One lady is coming in front of me. She is having Shankha, Chakra, Gada and a rice bowl in her hand. So, without delay, I should walk towards her. I should ask for the alms. I should ask for the alms. I should ask for the alms. Bhavati Bhiksham Dehi. Bhavati Bhiksham Dehi. Please give. Bhavati Bhiksham Dehi. Bhavati Bhiksham Dehi.
What? Our court dancer has come and told. Somebody has come at the entrance. A stranger, looking like a beggar. I have to see who he is. I'll go that side.
Bhavati Bhiksham Dehi. Bhavati Bhiksham Dehi.
ಕೊಡು ಕೊಡು ಭಿಕ್ಷೆಯ ಬಿಡುಗಣ್ಣರೊಡೆಯನೆ ಕೊಡು ಕೊಡು ಭಿಕ್ಷೆಯ ಬಿಡುಗಣ್ಣರೊಡೆಯನೆ ಹಿಡಿದುದು ಬ್ರಹ್ಮದ ಮಾಲ ಹಿಡಿದುದು ಬ್ರಹ್ಮದ ಪಾಲ ಪಡೆದ ಬೇಕೆಯ ತೃಪ್ತಿ ಪಡದ ಕಾರಣ ಮುಂದ ಪಡೆದ ಬೇಕೆಯ ತೃಪ್ತಿ ಕಾರಣ ಮುದ ಪಡೆಸದನ ಪಣಿಮಾಲ ಕೊಡು ಕೊಡು ಭಿಕ್ಷೆಯ ಕೊಡು ಕೊಡು ಭಿಕ್ಷೆಯ ಬಿಡುಗಣ್ಣರೊಡೆಯನೆ
Oh Lord, what is this? I am delighted to see you, but not in this one.
Mahendra,
Ah,
Devendra, we are the Lord of the entire wealth of this universe.
because your grace,
But look at my condition now.
I can't understand that why it has happened like this.
I have become Digambara
Ah, ah,
and I have nothing left with me right now.
why it is so?
Look at my hand,
Ah, ah, ah,
the Kapala.
Oh.
This cruel, merciless Kapalam
ah, ah, ah.
has been sucking my blood. I have lost all my energy, Devendra. So, to satisfy this Kapalam, kindly give something. Bhavati Bhiksham Dehi.
Oh, Paranjyoti.
Please satisfy
Oh,
this.
Paramapurusha. Oh, Shambhu.
ಚೆಲ್ಮಯ ಮುರುದೆ ಎನ್ನ ನಾಚಿಸಲೇಕೆ ಚಿನ್ನುಮಯ
ಶಿವಶೂಲಿ ಮಹೇಶ್ವರ ಈಶ್ವರ ಸರ್ವ ಈಶಾನ. Oh Lord.
Everything is fine.
Oh.
But I cannot tolerate this
Oh,
pain.
Paranjyoti,
Please give something.
why you are testing this humble devotee of yours? Don't I know that you are the sponsor of this universe and you are the donor of the riches and riches. Still you are pretending like a beggar, asking for the alms. Oh Lord, you are telling, you are great Nataraja, telling me, humiliating me. Why my excellence you are telling about? Oh Lord, why you are telling like those? I know who I am. I know who you are. Therefore, don't humiliate, don't humiliate. Is there anything that will cause damages to you or cause hunger to you or thirst to you? Oh Lord, you are the Lord of that Annapurna, who is protector of all this universe and who is extinguishing all the pains. Then why you are like this? Oh Lord, whatever I have earned, whatever I am, it is because of merciful grace. Therefore, no more talks. As you are asking, I am giving all my riches, all my wealth, and also myself at your feet.
Oh,
Please accept it and satisfy your Kapala.
oh, excellent, excellent.
ಮೆಚ್ಚಿದೆ ನಿನ್ನಯ ಭಕ್ತಿ ಭೋಗಕ್ಕೆ ನಾನು ಮೆಚ್ಚಿದೆ ನಿನ್ನಯ ಭಕ್ತಿ ಭೋಗಕ್ಕೆ ನಾನು ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಮಾತುಗಳಿಂದಲೇನು ಸಚ್ಚರಿತನೆ ನಿನ್ನ ಕಷ್ಟ ಕಾಲದೊಳಿಂದೋ ಸಚ್ಚರಿತನೆ ನಿನ್ನ ಕಷ್ಟ ಕಾಲದೊಳಿಂದು ನಿಶ್ಚಯವಾಗಿ ರಕ್ಷಿಪೆನು ಮೆಚ್ಚಿದೆ
Devendra,
Chinmayamurti.
excellent, admirable, very happy. Even after seeing me in this condition, you did not consider me in a negative sense.
You are my Lord.
You showed all kinds of respects.
Ha,
I'm very happy.
ha,
So,
ha.
you have tried to satisfy this Kapala. With this,
Huh.
see,
Ha,
in the future,
ha,
if at all you come across with any difficulties,
ha.
I will always be there for you. I will always be there with you. My blessings will always be there.
Oh Lord,
Huh.
please come inside
Fine.
and take all whatever is required.
Huh.
Please, please.
ಆ ಜನ ಬಲಾಲಿಸಿ ಕೇಳು ಮುನಿ ಮಹೋತ್ತಮನೇ ಪಾಲ ಆ ಜನ ಬಲಾಲಿಸಿ ಕೇಳು ಮುನಿ ಮಹೋತ್ತಮನೇ ಕನಕ ಬೋಧನದಲ್ಲ ಮನದೇ ಆ ಕನಕ ಬೋಧನದಲ್ಲ ಮನದೇ ಎನೆಯಾರೋ ತನಗೆ ನೀರಿಯೋಳೆ ನೋದೆಲ್ಲ ಎನೆಯಾರೋ ತನಗೆ ನೀರಿಯೋಳೆ ನೋದೆ ವಾಮೇತೆನು ಮುದೆ ಸಹಿತ ಮುದದೆ ಆ ಜನ ಬಲಾಲಿಗೆ ನೀಡು ಮುನಿ ಮಹೋತ್ತಮನೇ ನಿಮ್ಮ
I am Mahagra, the greatest of the living sages. Through years of study of Vedas and Shastras, including Atharvana Veda, I have acquired that amount of super and powers which no sage in the living memory has attained so far. My profound erudition, my spellbound meditation, and indomitable domination over the planets of the universe have bewildered the entire universe. In short, I am a living testimony to the assertion that even a mortal could rise to the level of divinity by transcendental and intellectual meditation. My achievements in the matter of conjugal life is no less spectacular. For I have good fortune of marrying Kumuda, who is young and elegant, but also beautiful and devoted towards her husband. Now, one may ask me a question. Where is the proof for your greatness? Yes, greatness is in my hand. You know, Panipati, Mahashesha of Netherworld,
ಕ್ರತುನಾಡಿ ಸಾಲೆಲ್ದೋ ಕ್ರತುನಾಡಿ ಸಾಲೆಲ್ದೋ ಪಡಿತಾದೆ ಕರೆಯ ಕಾಳು ಹೇದರೆ ಪಡಿಪಾದೆ ಕರೆಯ ಕಾಳು ಹಿದರೆ ಹಿತದಿ ಗೋಪೆನಾಗ ಹಿತದಿ ಯತಿವರೆಣ್ಯನು ತನ್ನ ಸತೆಯಾದ ಕುಮುದೆಯನು ಯತಿವರೆಣ್ಯನು ತನ್ನ ಸತೆಯಾದ ಕುಮುದೆಯನು ಅತಿ ಮುದದಿಂದ ಬೇಗ ಅತಿ ಮುದದಿಂದ ಕರೆದ ಬೇಗ ಆತನ ಬಲಾಲಿಸಿ ಕೇಳು
I have just received an invitation, rather an appeal, from no less a dignitary than Mahashesha of Netherworld to visit his Vakala to perform a grand engagement celebrated tomorrow by him. So, this is a distinction of conferred upon me. Therefore, I should go there. I should go there. But how to go? Yes, I have to report this matter to my wife, dear wife, Kumuda. Where is she? Kumuda! Kumuda! Come here! My honey!
ಕಮಲಯಾದಾಂಬಗೆ ಕುಮುದೆ ನೀಲಾಲಿಸೋ ಕುಮುದೆ
sensational news for you.
For me?
Yes,
Which one?
your husband has received an invitation. No less a dignitary than Mahashesha of Netherworld to visit his domains to perform a grand yajna there.
Really?
It is
Really?
It shows my greatness.
Really? It is a real estate.
It was not confirmed upon other 7 sages.
I'm
and
proud of you.
gurus.
I'm proud of you, my lord.
This is not time for one or two.
Why?
I am in a hurry. I have to rush back to perform yajna.
Where?
Patala! Mahashesha has invited me.
Then wait for a while. You are going to Patala for
Yes.
the yajnam.
Yes.
It may take months long. Oh, how can I bear this?
How long I stayed there
Then?
without you?
Yes,
With separation of you?
for me.
No. Only 3 days.
3 days?
Yes. 1 day for going, 1 day for return, and another full day for perform yajna.
Come here. Then, please, wait for a while. The yajnam will take place for whole day. Do one thing. Condense it into 4 hours and return by 20 hours for our reunion.
Don't be silly, Kumula.
Why?
Thousands of sages are
Gather.
seriously watching there, including that Saptarushis and 2 gurus. So I should not give room for any lacuna in the rituals.
My lord, without you, this life is hell to me.
Why? You can spend your time easily by preaching the devoted disciple of Pativritya Dharma, the tenements of holy Pativritya Dharma to the other fairer sects of this ashram.
But one condition,
What?
no man should hear this.
Yes. Here is an announcement. My ashram is closed for 3 days for men. Only ladies are invited.
Then,
That's all.
then you are going.
Yes, I am going.
My lord, your decision is all right. But how can I bear this separation?
After all, 3 days.
I have a problem.
What problem?
ಅಗಲಿರಿಲ್ಲಯ
Only 3 days.
ಪಾದ ಯುಗಳವಿರಲೋ
Yes, my lord.
ಅಗಲಿರಿಲ್ಲಯ ಪಾದ ಯುಗಳವಿರಲೋ ಕ್ಷಣಯುಗವಾಗಿ
Yes, my lord.
ಸೋಗುಣನಿ ಕೃತವನ್ನು ಪೂರೈಸಿದ ಕ್ಷಣ ಸೋಗುಣನಿ ಕೃತವನ್ನು ಪೂರೈಸಿದ ಕ್ಷಣ ನಿಗೆ ಶೀಘ್ರದಲ್ಲಿ ಬಹುದು ಅಗಲಿ ನಿರ್ಣಯ ಪಾದ ಯುಗಳವಿರಲು ಕ್ಷಣ ಯುಗವಾಗಿ ತೋರುವುದು
My lord.
ರಮಣ
My lord,
Kumuda,
as you know, I am not an ordinary spouse
that is true.
like others. I am Sati or Mahasati. A Sati like me, always for your love and devotionally and dutifully pleased
true.
in your blissful company.
True.
How can I feel this? It is unworthy for a Sati wailing her husband was far away from her. How can I eat? How can I drink? How can I mingle with others? No. This is not fit for me. My lord, I cannot tolerate this separation.
You are weeping. Then
My lord.
better I should
No.
cancel my program.
No.
Then?
It should not be.
Huh.
Should not be.
Huh.
My lord,
Yes?
I am always dust of your feet.
Huh.
There. You have to go there.
Yes.
Why? This is a very good opportunity for my Lord. Even at Pata,
Distinction.
you are away from this world.
Yes.
Entirely different world.
Different.
Pata. Somehow, you must go. Somehow I
Yeah.
can.
I promise you, I'll be back in 3 days.
Somehow I will
Yes.
manage for 3 days.
Yes.
But one should you remember.
Huh.
As soon as your yajnam is over, you should schedule your timing.
Yes.
Should
I'll
reach
be
here
back in your house.
within no time
Yes.
for our reunion.
Yes.
Yes, my lord.
Yes. Cheer you, cheer you.
Be
I
back
come
happy.
back. Yes.
ಧನ್ಯನಾದೆ ಮುನಿವರೇಣ್ಯನೇ ಧನ್ಯನಾದೆ ಮುನಿವರೇಣ್ಯನೇ ಧನ್ಯನಾದೆ ಮುನಿವರೇಣ್ಯನೇ ಚರಿತನೇ ಮೊದಲನೆಯ ಪಾಪವೆಲ್ಲವಿಲ್ಲ ದಯದಿ ಮಾಯವಾಯಿತು
My sins,
ಮುಲ್ಲ ಪಾಪಗೈದ ಪಾಪವೆಲ್ಲವಿಲ್ಲ ಪಾಪವಾಯಿತು ಎನ್ನ ಪೂರ್ವ ಪುಣ್ಯ ಬಲದೊಳೆಯನ್ನು ದೊರಕಿಸಿ ಪದಾರ್ಥ ಧನ್ಯನಾದೆ ಮುನಿವರೇಣ್ಯನೇ
oh great sage, kindly accept my respects. Oh holy hermit, due to your darshan, all my past sins and blemishes are washed away.
Yes, yes.
Probably, my life has become fruitful because of your darshan. Because the darshan of you such great hermits does not, or we don't get it so easily. Oh hermit, probably it is my fortune that I could meet you. Hence, now I request you, I beg you, please save me from all this pain.
Oh, mendicant.
ಸುಲಭವಲ್ಲ ಸುಲಭವಲ್ಲ ಎಲ್ಲ ದರುಶನ ಸುಲಭವಲ್ಲ ಎಲ್ಲ ದರುಶನ ಆ ದರುಶನಾಯ ಸುಲಭವಲ್ಲ
Please give, please give.
I appreciate you. Even though you are a mendicant, you admire my greatness. Usually, I am not available for ordinary persons. Do you know? My powers and prowess are not known even to Lord Mahendra. Oh, Sargaloka. That being the case, it is due to the only account of your past good deeds I have come on my own, on your way. Anyway, you have seen me. Yes. See you.
ಕೊಡುವದಾದನಹುದು ತಿರುಗನೆ
What else?
ಕೊಡುವದಾದನಹುದು ತಿರುಗನೆ ಆ
As you said, I can create and give away whatever you want. But you are the most unfortunate.
Why?
And the time is unfortunate.
Why?
Therefore, I am on the way to my perform a grandest of Yajnam. So, I'll be in a hurry. Don't disturb me.
You're not in a charitable disposition.
Yes, I am in charitable disposition.
Please be,
Not the time. This is not the right time.
please be kindful. Kindly give me. Look at my condition, O great sage. Excruciating agony. This kapalam is sucking the blood from my body. And this merciless kapalam has got this bowl in my hand. So, you don't think that this is a dead one.
Then,
But it is alive.
oh,
It is sucking my blood like anything. So, it is not getting satisfied. I have given it so much, but still not got satisfied. Hence, be merciful. Be kind enough. Please give something to this.
yes. Then you wait for 3 days. I will pack in 3 days and satisfy that kapala in no time.
3 days?
3 days.
How is that?
Yeah, within 3 days I will come here and satisfy your kapala.
Till 3 days.
Don't worry, definitely.
What should I do for 3 days?
That yonder big banyan tree. Be waiting there. I will come back and satisfy this kapalam in no time.
Oh, Look at my unfortunate. Look at my
Yes,
problem.
yes, I am in Yahdi.
Sir.
What is that? I told you.
Please.
Within 3 days.
Please listen.
Only 3 days.
Please listen to my words. If you are busy, and if you have to go somewhere, and my problem remains alive.
Only for 3 days.
Oh, great sage. Okay, you cannot. But I have a solution for that.
What solution?
ಮನೆಗೆ ಹೋಗದಾರಿ ಯಾವುದು
Your sanctuary.
ಮನೆಗೆ ಹೋಗದಾರಿ ಯಾವುದು
I have been there.
ಮನೆಗೆ ಹೋಗದಾರಿ ಯಾವುದು ಆ ಮನೆಗೆ ಹೋಗದಾರಿ ಯಾವುದು
Oh, dear sage.
ಮುನಿವರೆ ನಯನಗೆ ಕರುಣದಿಂದ ಬೀಳುವುದು ಸನುಮತದಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗಿ ನಿಲ್ಲ ಮನಿದೆಯೊಡನೆ ಭಿಕ್ಷೆ ಬೇಡಿ ಸನುಮತದಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗಿ ನಿಲ್ಲ ವನಿದೆಯೊಡನೆ ಭಿಕ್ಷೆ ಬೇಡಿ ವನಜ ಭವ ಕಪಾಲ ವಿದರ ಕ್ಷಣದಿ ತೃಪ್ತಿಗೊಳಿದೀಯ ವನಜ ಭವ ಕಪಾಲ ವಿದನು ಕ್ಷಣದಿ ತೃಪ್ತಿಗೊಳಿದೀಯ ಮನೆಗೆ ಪಾಪದಾರಿ ಯಾವುದು
Oh, great hermitage. Please listen to my words. If you cannot, I have another solution for the problem.
What?
Would you please show the way to the sanctum of your sanctuary?
Huh?
Your sanctuary.
Why?
If I go to your sanctuary, the goddess is there. Definitely goddess will.
You mean my wife?
Your wife.
Why?
She is-
What business you have there?
She is Annapurneshwari. You are the god. She is the goddess. She is as great as you. I am very much sure that whatever I ask with her, she will definitely give and satisfy this kapala. Kindly show the way to your hermitage, please. What happened?
Oh, blockage!
ಮರುಳನ ಮರುಳನ ಎಲ್ಲರ ಸಿಗುವುದೆಯೋ
Yes.
ಎಲ್ಲರ ಸಿಗುವುದೆಯೋ ಪರಮ ಪತಿವ್ರತೆ
True.
ಎಲ್ಲರ ಸಿಗುವುದೆಯೋ ಪರಮ ಪತಿವ್ರತೆ ಪರಪುರುಷರನು ಪರಿಕ ಬಳೆ ಕಣ್ಣೆತ್ತಿ
What?
ಪರಪುರುಷರನು ಪರಿಕೆ ಬಳೆ ಕಣ್ಣೆತ್ತಿ ನಿಲ್ಲವನುಳಿದು ಪರಶಿವನೇ ಬರಲು ನಿಲ್ಲನುಳಿದು ಪರಶಿವನೇ ಬರಲು ತಾ ಕಣ್ಣೆತ್ತು ನೋಡಳು ತಾ ಕಣ್ತೆರೆದು ನೋಡಳು ಪರಿದೆ ದಣಿಯುವುದೇಕೆ ಪರಿದೆ ದಣಿಯುವುದೇಕೆ ನೀನಿಲ್ಲಿರಲು ಮೂರೇ ದಿನದಿ ನಾನೈದಗೆನು ದಿಟವೆಂದ ಮರುಳನ ಎಲ್ಲರ ಸಿಗುವುದೆಯು ಪರಮ ಪತಿವ್ರತೆ
my wife.
Ah.
You want to see her?
Yeah, she goddess.
She won't glance at you.
Why?
Such is her dedication towards her husband.
Completely detached from the world. Complete belongingness to you.
Yes, she is observing Pativritya Dharma.
Oh.
Let alone you who are mendicant. Even if Lord of Lord, Lord Nandaneshwara knocks her doors, she won't even glance at him.
And if I come,
Huh?
if I come,
No, no, never. You mendicant.
so what shall I do now?
Don't worry. There is a solution.
What is that?
You wait for 3 days under that banyan tree, big banyan trees. Shelter is there.
Fine.
So no problem.
Huh.
You be waiting there. I will be back in 3 days and satisfy this kapalam. Whatever you want, I will give it.
Sure.
Yes,
What to
I will create and create and satisfy this kapalam.
What to
Don't worry. Here you. Be waiting. That banyan tree. Yes.
Fine. I have tested this Mahogra. Now I have to test his wife. They are highly egoistic and in the meantime highly arrogant also. So my job is to see that they come out of this arrogance and the ego. So let me go to his hermitage and test his wife. Bhavati Bhiksham Dehi, Bhavati.
ಎನುತ ಗರ್ವದೊಳಿಪ್ಪವನ ಜಖಿಯಂದವ ಎನುತ ಗರ್ವದೊಳಿಪ್ಪವನ ಜಾಖಿಯಂದವ ತ್ರಿನಯತಾಯಿ ಕ್ಷಿಸುದ
Oh,
ತ್ರಿನಯತಾಯಿ ಕ್ಷಿಸುದ ಹನನ ಬಳಿಬಿ ಮದಮಯನುದಲಿ ತಳೆದನು ಘನಮೋಹನ ಕೃತಿಯ ಹನನಗೊಳಿಪೆ ಮದವೆನುದಲೆ ತಳೆದನು ಘನಮೋಹನ ಕೃತಿಯ ಎನ್ನುತ್ತ ಗರ್ವದೊಳಿಪ್ಪ ವನಜಾಕ್ಷಿಯಲ್ದವ ತ್ರಿನಯತಾಯಿ ಕ್ಷಿಸುತ್ತ ಆ ಆ
I have come to the vicinity of the hermitage of that sage Mahogra. If I look around, what do I see? Wife of Mahogra. Kumude. I have come here and I am trying to get her attention towards me. But she is not trying to look at me. Oh. So this is the height of ego in her. So let me test her. Not with this. Not in this form of being a beggar. But I have to show my original beauty and I should stand in front of her. That is why I will take over to the original form and stand before her.
What do I see?
ಅಘಕಯಲ್ದವನೋ ಅಘಕಯಲ್ದವನೋ ಮುಂದಿಲಿನ ದಿಗ ನೀವ ಭಿಕ್ಷುಕನೋ ಅಘಗ ಆ ಆ ವಸಂತನು ಸ್ಮರನು ಜಯಂತನು ಬಹುರೂಪ ಮಗನಾಗಿಗನು ನೋಡಿದರೆಂದು ಹಾಗೆಯೊಳ್ಳು ವಸಂತನು ಸ್ಮರನು ಜಯಂತನು ಬಹುರೂಪ ಮಗನಾಗಿಗನು ನೋಡಿದರೆಂದು ಅಖಖ ಅಖಗಾಗಿ ನಿಲ್ದವನು ಮುಂದಿನಲ್ಲಿ ನಿರ್ವಿಘ ನೀವ ಭಿಕ್ಷುಕನು ಅಖಗ 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 ಅಖಗ
Where is this place from? What do I see in front of my hermitage? A beggar standing in front of me. Is he a beggar? No. No. How can I believe? He is not lesser than sparing the beauty of Smara, then Jayanta, Nala, Kubara, Manmata. Yes, yes. See, how is it? Elegant, charming, a fascinating look. Then how could he be destitute? No, no. Then who is he? I must judge. I must judge. No, he is not an ordinary beggar. He is the Lord of Lords, Paramapurusha, Parameshwara, the Nandaneshwara. He himself put in front of me. Oh God. Then he is also the Lord for Annapurneshwari, the mother who feeds us. Yes. Then he is begging. I should give him. I should give. What should I give? He has captivated and captured me in all the directions. Now I am not in myself. I have to give. I have to give whatever do I have. No, he has already captured it. Then what is left with me? Only Atma. The Atma should be surrendered in his lotus feet, in the feet of Lord. Oh, 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 the ocean of mercy. Please forgive me for my ignorancy that I made you to wait in front of doorsteps of my this ashrama. I made a fault. For that, or in return, I have to give you. What should I give? My Lord, Tabadasiyoham Kevalam. I don't know what to do. Why the rivers about to reach the sea? Rivers don't know. Why should a calf rush towards mother cow? Calf do not know. Even I do not know what to do. Therefore, I beg of you, please take my arms. My Lord, save me.
Muda, get up. Very happy.
My Lord. I don't want this hermitage. I don't want my disciples. I don't want my lady friends. Nay, I don't want my husband also. Everything is you. Please.
Muda, fine. I'm very happy. You could recognize me. You could see me as a god.
Yes.
And who can see the god? Those who are completely out of that egoistic nature.
This river is rushing towards the ocean to join.
Earlier, you were highly egoistic and arrogant. Now, we have come out of that mindset. That's why you could recognize me.
Fine.
Now you don't want this world.
Yes.
You want to be with the God.
Yes.
Are you ready to come behind me?
Yes, I will.
Then follow.
ಬಳಿಕಲ ಮುನಿಬ ತನ್ನಲೆ ಮನೆಗಾಗಿ ನಲವಿನಿಂದಲೇ ನಡೆದರಲು ನಲವಿನಿಂದಲೇ ನಡೆದರಲು ನಳಿನಾಕ್ಷಿ ಕುಮುದೆಯ ಕಾಣದ ಕ್ಷಣದೊಳು ತಿಳಿದು ಸುಜ್ಞಾನ ದೃಷ್ಟಿಯೊಳು ಬಳಿಕಲ ಮುನಿಬ ತನ್ನಲೆ ಮನೆಗಾಗಿಯೇ
Kumuda, dear Kumuda, I am your Mahodra here. After the great honors and flying colors, I have returned here to our hermitage. But yes, after successful completion of that unique exam at the netherworld. But Kumuda, where are you? You usually used to come running and receive me with a loving hug. Where are you today? Kumuda? Kumuda? No response. Ominous silence. A deserted look around the ashram, foretelling something bad has happened. That means, oh, Kumuda, really perplexed and worked out. Could not wait for long. I should now resort to my inner vision and see what is happening. I will do that.
ಅರುಳಿನ ಕ್ಷಯವೆನ್ನ
Astonishing, astounding, bewildering, a catastrophe, a debacle in my conjugal life. What you have seen, what you have seen, my wife Kumuda, debased and debauched, running after that, while her whereabout, while mendicants, hey bitch, hey the wretched woman. What you have done? What you have done? Don't think I would keep quiet. Now, I would resort to my yogic powers and create two gigantic demons, Agrasura and Rajasura, running that wicked mendicant, and to drag you to my feet. I will see. Now, I will create two demons. Witnessing now. All my promises and my ways to punish the mendicant have become unsuccessful. all my promises have been overpowered. That means, could a mere mortal is able to do that? Who could excel all my prowesses and powers? That means, is he really a mendicant? Is he a mortal who could overpower me? No. Curse my blemishes, my intellect, my wisdom. Oh, he is none other than Lord Parameshwara, Lord Nandareshwara himself. Oh, pardon me all my misdeeds and save me, God.
ಬೆದರದಿರಯ್ಯ ಹೇ ಬುಧ ಕೂಲೋತ್ತಮ ಕೇಳು ಅಧಿಕಾರಿ ನಹುದಯ್ಯ ಜಗದೇ ಅಧಿಕಾರಿ ನಹುದಯ್ಯ ಜಗದೀ ಮದವೊಂದು ನಿನ್ನಲೆ ಕೊಡಲಿದರ ಕಾರಣ
Mahogra, don't worry. I'm very happy now. So far, you have been blind.
Yes,
You were not able to see the world properly.
I was really blind.
Because you were full of ego
Vanity.
and you were highly arrogant. Of course, you are the highly learned person in the world.
Maybe.
No doubt in it.
Maybe.
But what should be the basic nature of a learned person?
You'd be humble.
That humbleness was not there in you. All these episodes, whatever happened, is to see that you get back your humbleness. And you come out of that egoistic nature and you come out of that arrogance. Just because your wife Kumuda followed me, you became
I got perplexed for a moment. I didn't realize you.
and created two evil powers, Gajasura and Vyagrasura.
True.
And you sent them to kill me.
Yes. True.
Did you get the success?
That's why I'm surrendering now.
I killed those Gajasura and Vyagrasura and look at me now. I am wearing their skins. Through that, I have become Gajakarmamba and Vyagrakarmamba. So, no evil powers can dominate. Hence, that it. Forget it. No.
Will you pardon me?
Definitely.
Sure.
Definitely.
All right. I am blessed.
Mahogra,
Yes.
now onwards, you should start a new life. And you should be a model to the whole world. How a highly learned person should be, so others should look at you and should learn.
Yes.
Now onwards, see your wife, Kumuda, she is as pure as a fire. She is as pure as a flowing water of a river.
Kumula, my honey,
Pardon me.
I didn't place your devotion. I'm very sorry, my dear.
So accept her.
All
Lead a very happy life.
All right. We'll
Go to your,
take leave of you.
go to your hermit. I have traveled all the three worlds and all the evil powers I could witness, and I have tried my level best to overcome those evil powers. But the basic problem is still alive. This Kapalam is still not getting satisfied. So who can save me? What is the solution for this? Oh, fine. Now there is only one solution. There is only one power who can save me and who can get rid me of from this problem. It is He is none other than Lord Vishnu. So, I should go to Vaikuntha and surrender to him. I am sure he will get rid of all the problems. So, let me go to Vaikuntha.
ಇದ್ದವ ಬ್ರಹ್ಮನ ಕಪಾಲವಿ ಇದ್ದವಾಗ ಆ
I know you are taking revenge on Shiva. But what do you stand to gain therefrom? Look at him. He has nothing left with him to satisfy you. Look at me. I am here, the universal and generous donor, to grant the desires of one and all. If you want to have a sumptuous feast, then leave him and come to my hand. I will feed you with my blood. Come on, come on, come on, come here.
Betrayal of the meanest donor, unworthy of the great Vishnu. One liar, you have not kept your promise. You have practiced a naked deception on me. I condemn you with all vehemence, my serious reprehensions to thee. Oh, I condemn you, a liar, I condemn you.
Oh, Baba.
ಇಲ್ದಿರೇಶನ ಬಿಡದೆ ನಿಲ್ದಿಸುವ ವಿಧಿಶರಗೆ ಇಲ್ದಿರೇಶನ ಬಿಡದೆ ನಿಲ್ದಿಸುವ ವಿಧಿಶರಗೆ ಸಿಂಧು ಶಯನನು ನುಡಿದ ಸಿಂಧು ಶಯನನು ನುಡಿದ ಮುಂದೆ ಭಾರದ ಧುರದಿ ಕೊಂದು ಕ್ಷತ್ರಿಯರ ಶಿರದಿಂದ ತೃಪ್ತಿಯ ಬಡಿಮೆ ಸಂದೇಹವಿಲ್ಲದಗೆ ಇಂದಿರೇಶನ ಬಿಡದೆ ನಿಂದಿಸುವ ವಿಧಿಶರಗೆ ಸಿಂಧು ಶಯನನು ನುಡಿದ ಆ ಆ
Oh, Kapala, don't be disappointed. After thousands of years, there will be a great battle at Kurukshetra when rivers of blood will flow. Then you can have a splendid Nandaneshwara, my dear brother-in-law, no doubt you have gone through a really miserable time. You were deserted. You lost all your belongings. You were enduring the intolerable pain as a result of that blood-sucking Kapalam, which has made you wander like an indigent beggar all over 3 worlds. But it has provided a platform for you to assess who are good and virtuous and who are evil and wicked, and thereby restoring the peace and tranquility of the whole universe. Ive, now you are relieved of that Kapalam. Do not waste any time. Rush to your Kailash. Your wife, children and Ganas are waiting for you. Now, whoever stages or witnesses this episode Brahmakapalam shall be profusely blessed by both Lord Nandaneshwara and Lord Mahavishnu. Bhadram Shubham Mangalam.
ಶ್ರೀ ಸರತಿ ಜನೇಂದ್ರಿಯರು ದೋಷದಿ ಕಲಿತರೊದವರು ಭೂಸುರರುಳಿದು ಬಂದಾಕ್ಷತೆಯಿಂದಲಿ ಸೇವೆಯದರಿದು ಕೀರ್ತಿಸುವುದರಿಂದ ಮಾಸದೆ ಕೀರ್ತಿಯ ಪಡೆಯಿನೆನುತ ಸರ್ವೇಶ ಕಾರತಿ ಬೆಳಗಿದರು ಶೋಭಾನಿ ಧರೆಯೋಳು ಬೆಸರಾದ ಶ್ರೀಲು ಕ್ಷೇತ್ರದಲ್ಲಿ ತೋದಿಲ್ದತ್ತ ಧರೆಯೋಳು ಬೆಸರಾದ ಶ್ರೀಕಟೀಲು ಕ್ಷೇತ್ರದಲ್ಲೇ ಸ್ಥಿರವಾಗಿ ನೆಲೆಸಿರುವ ಶ್ರೀ ಭ್ರಮರಾಂಬಿಕೆಗೆ ಶರಣಾಗತ ಪರಿಪಾಲಕೆ ಶುಭಕರಿ ದುರಿತ ನಿವಾರಕಿ ದುರ್ಗಾಂಬಿಕೆಗೆ ಮಂಗಲಂ ಶುಭ ಮಂಗಲೋ ಮಹಾಗಣಪತಿ ಶ್ರೀ ನಂದನೇಶ್ವರಗೆ ಶ್ರೀ ಗುರು ನರಸಿಂಹಗೆ ಮಂಗಲೋ
ವೀಕ್ಷಿಸಿ ಪ್ರೋತ್ಸಾಹಿಸಿದ ತಮ್ಮಗೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಧನ್ಯವಾದವನ್ನು ಅರ್ಪಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಸಹಕಾರ ಪ್ರೋತ್ಸಾಹ ಮುಂದೆಯೂ ಇದೇ ರೀತಿ ಬರಲಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳುತ್ತಾ ಧನ್ಯವಾದವನ್ನು ಅರ್ಪಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ.